Hey everybody, we're back on Snowball. Intake's laying there. I'm gonna change out that gasket. Oh, that's where those three nuts go. And three nuts, I wasn't sure where they went, but now I know where they go. I'll wipe that off because we got plenty of carbon in that around that. And those foam seals never kept the mice out. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. And I started off doing the two hardest bolts on this thing. That was not fluffy friendly. They were in the back of the motor. Then I had to come up and get in. Oh, I gotta keep moving. Service bulletin is you put silicone dams around these. Well, I siliconed that one in and kept lifting. So, yeah. I had the top training bolt to put in, and then that stupid bracket right there. I put that back in. I should have just left that out, but it's in there. Exhaust, everything. And I bled all over the truck. I nicked my arm in two spots, and I bled like a sliced my arm off. So, and as you notice, I did not mess with that because I don't know where my socket went to get the knock sensors out, and this truck didn't have any codes for them, so I just put it back together. We're just going to go that way. Anyway, and on this one's got a real PCV valve right there. That other motor that I worked on, the valve cover was the whole thing. Anyway, I'm gonna get the other coil pack on, get those plug wires up. I got the last dreaded spark plug, it's number 8 to do, and hopefully I can get in there with this and do that. That's only, that number 8 is the hardest corner on these trucks. But, alright. Well, here goes first try. Ha! That's not good. Come on, girl. Sound better? Really hear the thing run now. Well, let's get her down on level ground, check the coolant. Temporary ramp. $139,350 miles we got her going. Yes, I've put straight water in it because I want to flush it. Anyway, I want to get her topped off. Got this out. This truck. There's no check engine lights, no nothing. I'm calling it a fail right now. It won't rev over 3,500. Training ain't shifting right. I can't get it over 50 miles per hour. Yep, that's 6.0 V8. Yep. 4-speed auto. Engine. Federal. Code menu. Display codes. O2 sensors is the only thing. You kidding me? And that's probably because I had it unplugged. Okay, let's see, I just erased it. Yep, it's gone, okay. Yeah, I had one O2 sensor unplugged because that driver's side pipe was too far down. And we're at 158. We're going to do a crank relearn. Yeah, this has got the hydro boost. Don't let it rev over 4,000 or 5,000. Shut off should. Okay, the crank relearn has been redone because battery's been unhooked. Now let's see what it does. It wouldn't rev before. Might be that simple. Well, let's see. Because yeah, before it wouldn't rev over 3,000. Had absolutely no power. It actually sounds a little bit better. Oh, yeah! That brought it to life. I couldn't do that a little bit ago. Holy crap, doing a crank relearn, that was all it was took? Holy moly. I was thinking I got a bad tranny. Wow. Talk about a different truck. Now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. Oh, I hate this. Woohoo! Now she's working. Yes. Oh. You know what made me think to do a crank relearn? I don't know. That's a whole different truck now. Wow. I was starting to think I really got screwed on that transmission because it sputtered, wouldn't do nothing, just, oh my God. I tried shifting through the gears and it wouldn't. My goodness, this thing is a... This thing... Yep, now I can't put it in reverse without spinning the tires. Ooh, looks like we got a posi too. I'm happy. Finally. There you go. Guess that's what you get for having a battery unhooked for a while. Gotta tell the truck what it's gotta do. So, alright. Really haven't gone anywhere, but I've already put 42 miles on this thing. She's going pretty good. AC's nice and cold, but it only works on high blower. I know it needs one of those quarters. I see where I took it out and looked at it. It's blowed. So it's only got high. Now AC's nice and cold. It'll freeze you out in here. Almost kind of wish I didn't have to sell it. Yep. I had to switch out batteries. The battery that came with the truck took a dump, I guess. So I stole the one out of the gray truck, and it was weak. So hopefully it comes back to around being a good one. Yep. Just kind of out, running around on the gravel road, just shaking it up. Yes, 3/4 ton on bumpy roads, you feel them. Now, I think the vibration from the wheels is there's mud in the rims, so I have to take them off and knock all the mud out. But yeah, she's going pretty good now, so taking another gravel road. I like these Hydro Boost brakes on it here too. I see. It's been a while since I had a truck with that. So yeah, still getting rat's nest out of the heater blower, so I'm gonna have to give her a good cleaning again. So alright, I'm just, like I said, out cruising the gravel roads, getting some, kind of using the trying to use the gravel to sandblast or clean it up underneath, you know. It's amazing after you start driving a vehicle and you go up and down gravel roads how clean they always look. So is this the road? No, this is not the road. I'll show you guys here in a little bit. Alright, if you got weak stomachs, don't watch this next couple of hills. These things are fun. Well, this one may not be, I'm not really getting up to speed, but you go up and down. Woohoo! That one gets me all the time. So, alright, we're going to head back towards the farm and see if this battery's taking a charge and if it's going to work or what I'm going to do. I'm running out of batteries. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but Snowball looks like a new truck. Fix on the lens. Okay, just a second. Yeah, there you go. Got the floor all clean. Tear wiped down. Actually, see, it's got color to it. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, pickup. 41730 Service Tools from Napa. I'm not promoting them or anything. Somebody wanted to ask. There are the magnetic. Here's your 5/8. Yeah, phone's going off. And then that's the socket set somebody asked me about. Oh, King of Cans. There you go. So, yep. Oh, I love these Harbor Freight toolboxes. The General. Well, I'm going to start picking up tools, put them away, lock everything up. Now that I got the interior of the truck cleaned, I'm going to take that tomorrow to go get some stuff. And then I think later tomorrow I'll drain the system out, because it should be all washed out. And we'll put the antifreeze back in it. Sounds good. It's running good. I'm happy. Battery's a little hot starts. She's a little, but I don't think the battery's fully charged, so I'm gonna go drive around more tonight. So that's all I can do. So anyway, I gotta get tools put away, so I don't know what I want to work on next now. We gotta do something, but we're gonna do it. Kind of been rethinking on the gray truck. I don't know, maybe making some metal patch panels, but gotta have something to weld to. So yeah, I'm gonna get that transferred over. Start working on this frame, make sure it's any good. So yeah. Anyway, see y'all later. Have a good one.